Sankofa by Marsh, the 19-piece collection embodies the years of mastered craftsmanship and comprised a mix of ready-to-wear to couture looks for the trendy and outgoing men and today's chic and stylish women.
The presentation tonight is called Sankofa by Marsh, which is inspired by my root, my ancestral root from Ghana. It's just about looking back. You have to look back in order to move forward. So the whole collection was inspired by looking back, looking forward. I tell people, as soon as you get the inspiration, from the inspiration comes the collection. So one piece could take 10 hours, because it's all hand beaded, but at the same time, once you have, you know they say when you're baking a cake, as long as you're flour, you can bake a cake. So once you have the print, the flow, the sketch, then everything else falls in place. This is the High School of Fashion, which is located on 24th and 7th. So, you know, it's fashion. This school teach the kids from 12 all the way up through high school and move on to college to be a designer. So I love this place. Lots of history.
I walked today for Marsh Couture. He is one of my favorite designers from the Caribbean, a Jamaican, and of course I'm Trinidad and Tobagonian, so it was, you know, definitely an honor to be walking for him today. I'm a swan. That's the best way to describe it. I felt like a bride on the runway, but like a fierce couture bride. As you can see, I'm wearing an oversized jacket. Typically, persons would say a man should be wearing, but I like the mixture because it's like a bride and groom in one. Like you're marrying yourself, I guess. Of course, it has a line of flowers and feathers. I guess that represents the Caribbean. I love flowers, particularly ivory flowers. A long, beautiful trail to follow. Very dramatic. I just love the piece that I wore tonight.
It was a very good show, very interesting presentation from Marsh. I've seen his work before, and I was actually quite impressed by what I saw this evening.
I was born and raised in Jamaica, and the collection is Marsh Couture. There's two collections, DM by Marsh, which is the ready-to-wear collection, and the Marsh Couture, which is the custom-made.
Come chat with me.